What's that? Oh my God. Oh my God. OMG, it is. This is welcome to Norco Cool Ranch. Or no, it's Nitro Cool Ranch. Okay, I'll get it right. Sean Parker's Nitro Cool Ranch. With the cool, look at that sucker. She is looking good. Oh my God. Oh. There she is, boys. There she is. We've got a lot left to do. There's the engine in. God, that looks good. I know. Everybody has their own opinions, but my whole life I wanted a car like this. I wanted this car to be this way because I had this car my whole life. And now we're getting there. The wheels are going to get done next. I just picked up new barrels, and there's Sean got a haircut. He's on the phone. We are going to go with the manual box after all. And I had the same questions about that, but he says it's okay.
So the edges are bad on the car, and the front clip is not done. And of course the whole side has to be reset. So
the ladder bars aren't on yet.
What are we looking at in time frame?
I'm waiting.
The ladder bars aren't on yet. So he is probably going to do some more work to it here over the weekend, but here she is, folks. We got lots more to do to it. Lots more.
Being standby for Ron, he said the absolute soonest he knew that he'd be available maybe end of March. And so I'm not
that's
going
good.
to use my addition everybody. So I don't know.
We had a slot in there for March, though. I want to try to get it there as quickly as possible in April.
Well, yeah, I want to get it 3 months ago to paint. I went ahead and repainted everything, buddy. It's all done again, so it's got to have an under tray mask now for him to do his paint work, so I don't have to do mine a third. Because all that steel space frame is all nice again. And
Okay, let's look at the barrel I have. I picked up. There's a Fairlane. We're working on that, getting that sold. And the 66.
Drive shaft and a frame and chassis and all that stuff. And I tried to make it so that he could mask away and do the rest of his work. So that's where we're at, Stephen.
Okay.
It's all nice in pieces. It's gorgeous. Looks like a little layout kit from Speedway Motors.
Windshield guy.
Well, he's yeah, that's a friend of mine too.
We got he's going to do the mock-up on the headers. We're going with zoomies. The motor's going to be I don't want to say the motor's going to be more radical than before, but it is going to be probably well over 1,000 horse. But we're looking to dump the zoomies right about here.
You got it, sir.
That look good.
Okay.
Okay. Outstanding.
Do you like it?
I saw it this morning, and Sean, the guy is Mr. Person. No, look at the hub's just sitting there.
I was trying to pop it up. There it is.
GoPro, turn off. GoPro, turn off. Turn off. Turn off. Turn off. GoPro, turn off. What is? Oh. Come on. GoPro, turn off. Turn the air off here. Here she is, folks. Just dropped off. We'll see you, Sean. All three of these are for sale. If anybody's interested, that Fairlane's for sale. The Ford Fairlane is mine. It's got a 289 with a 5-speed. The 66 is Sean's, the 66 Chevy Sean, and the 40 Diamond T are Sean's. They're all for sale. Everything's for sale. So the car's looking great. Now I'm gonna order tires this weekend. But what I'm gonna do, I got to start now. Focus back on the engine. We got to focus back on getting. It's gonna be we're probably close to machining going on. And so I know I had a list of stuff to pick up, and oh, nice seat. Oh, Frigidaire. Oh, cheap. What does that say on that? It says Frigidaire. What else he got back there? Oh, that's a like office chair. Oh, a gamer chair or a whatever. Anyway, that's going to do it for today. It's Friday. Tomorrow, Saturday, I'm going to a new, through this traffic. I'm going to a new kind of like a Cars and Coffee tomorrow. Tomorrow morning. I'm going to hit First, because I've heard a couple friends are been going to there. I haven't seen them at Hot Rods in Horsetown, so they are going to be in at this other place. So I have to get up early and go see. There's actually three shows around my house in the morning. There's one in Corona at the IHOP, and then we have our little gathering, Hot Rods in Horsetown at Norco, and this other gathering is in Riverside at a church, and I think I'll probably see it on the way home. But anybody think of coming to California? Now, gas prices, forget about it. Gas prices have been through the roof. Gas prices are just $6-7. You'll see, not uncommon. Let's see if we can get myself home here. Come on. Wait for my navigations. Going home.
We're all set, let's go. In a quarter of a mile. Turn left.
I'm gonna stop that. I'm gonna look at that, and I'm gonna look at routes. Because traffic sucks everywhere on a Friday in California.
In 1,000 feet. Turn left.
I don't want to do that. But I think I can. I think that's gonna take me all the way down the hill. Yep, it will. So anyway, tomorrow I have a couple of videos. I have two car shows I'll be hitting tomorrow morning, and I'll update you there. I'm going to
turn left on Harley John Road.
Yes, I can't wait to get my car done. I'm telling you, after seeing it today, seeing it on all fours. Anyway, everybody have a great day. Hey to my girlfriend in North Carolina. I hope to see. If I can get a couple things to sell, I'll be seeing you at Easter. But ever since gas prices went through the roof, sales have gone in the crapper. Nobody is buying wheels for their cars. Nobody is buying toys, things, or any car-related items. Antiques.
In 1 mile, turn left on Scottsdale Drive.
No, I'm gonna go straight. Anyway, look at that cow. Good old Wranglers and steers. Okay, everybody have a great weekend. We'll talk to you tomorrow.